Good morning, third graders, and happy Monday. Okay, for math message today, this is in journal page 81, creating a scaled picture graph. Math message. Copy your pattern block data from journal page 79 in the table below. So triangle, wide rhombus, narrow rhombus, hexagon, and trapezoid. Go back to journal page 79 where you filled in all of your pattern block data and give a title to this graph. What should it be called? And then I want you to fill up your bars. Fill up your bars how high you did last time. Key. So you could say one box equal, so let's say this was my triangles. And let's say I counted by twos, right? Two. That means each square would equal how many pattern blocks? 2. So you fill that in, give it a title, write all these in, and then write a question. Let me go back 1 second. Write a question about the information in your pattern block sort bar graph. So on this side here, you may write a question. Something like let's see. You could ask things like, how many hexagons were in this child sort? How many rhombuses were there in all? Were there more triangles or trapezoids? So you write a question using this data, and when you have this all filled in and with your question, send a picture to your teacher and head on over to journal page 82.